Good morning, my dear kids. We're still in unit number 5, and our unit title is Wibble Wobble Bye. But today we're going to talk about the grammar part. So let's check our first lesson in the grammar part. It's about the plural nouns. Plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns. We have singular, plural nouns, and we have plural nouns. It means more than one. If I have just one plural noun, one noun, it means singular. If I have more than one, it means plural nouns. How do we differ between both of them? We are always used to put or just add the letter S at the end of the noun for more than one, like book, books, bag, bags, teacher, teachers. But today we are getting older, so we have to know more about the plural nouns, that we have many kinds or many ways to make them or to convert them from the singular one to the plural one. We add s, es, and ies. But when we add this one or this one or this one, we will know right now. Here we have nouns. What are nouns? They are names of person, animal, place, or thing. Like singular and plural nouns. The singular noun tells about just one person or just one animal, just one place or just one thing. Like when I say just a boy, animal just when I say a dog, place just when I say school, thing like when I say just one table. But when I say a plural noun, it means more than one. It tells about more than one person, more than one animal, or more than one place, or more than one thing. Like when I say two children, or two boys, two dogs, two schools, or two tables. So let's see here. We have three rules to convert from the singular to the plural noun. Let's see the first one. Rule number 1. Add just s at the end of the word or at the end of the noun to make it plural. Like dog. How can we convert dog from the singular to the plural? We just add s. So dog, dogs, girl, girls, book, books, park, parks. This is rule number 1. We are just adding the letter S at the end of the noun to make it more than one thing or one noun. Let's see the second one. Add es to make plural noun. So when can we add the es? Maybe with books? No. Let's see here. If the word ends with the letter S or the double S, SNH, CNH, X, or double Z or Z. So, if we have any word ends with S, I will just add ES at the end of this word to make it in a plural form. Can I add double S? Like, let's see an example here. Like when I say bus, if I add just S, you will not be able to recognize if this means plural or which S is this. Maybe the possessive S, but no, we are just using for the possessive S the apostrophe. What should I do? How can I make the word bus in the plural form? The word bus ends with S, so I have to add ES. Like kiss, kisses, bush, bush it means the small tree. Bush it ends with the SH, so I have to add ES. I say bushes, bushes. Bench, bench it means the bench like your desk, but it's a long one. You are always using this in college. Bench, benches. When it ends with CNH, we have to add the ES to make it in the plural form. Box, boxes. Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear the syllables as I mentioned in the phonics part? Boxes. Can I put just S? It will be boxes. No, boxes. So I have to add the ES. Don't forget that if we have the letter Z at the end of the word, we have to duplicate it when we add the ES. When I have the word quiz, I have to make it double Z before I add the ES. Okay? Let's see more about rule number 3. If any word ends with Y, I cross I or drop I and put IES instead of this. How is that? Let's see. Like the word kitty, kitty, here we have the consonant before the letter Y. So we will drop the letter Y and put instead of this IES. So if Y is followed to a consonant, we will cross the Y and put IES instead of this. Baby. What can you see here before the letter Y? B. And B is a vowel? No, it's a consonant. So if the Y is followed to a consonant, we will cross the Y and add IES. Rule number 4. We don't change letter Y if it's followed for a vowel, like boy. The letter O here, it's a vowel, but the word ends with Y. No, I just cross the Y if the word ends with Y and the Y is followed to a consonant. But here I have the letter O in the word boy, so I will just add the S plural at the end of the word. Okay. Irregular plural. Irregular plural, we will not use S, ES or IES. They have a specific way which you convert the singular to the plural form for this irregular. Irregular, it means that it's not ordinary. So let's see here, like the word man or woman. We change the A into just E to become only a new word, not like the other one. We will not add S, ES or IES because they are irregular. They are not alike for the rest. When we have a word which includes the double O, like the word foot, we will change it into double E, like feet. Goose, we will change it into geese. Tooth, we will change it into teeth. So we are just here changing the double O into double E. And the word child. Can I say childs? No, it has a specific or a special irregular plural form. So we will convert it into children. Children. The ox. Can I say oxes? Because it ends with EX? No, it has an exception from the rule and it's plural oxen. Oxen. So we are changing this by ending by ENN. Let's complete the ways to convert any word. So we have here the word mouse. How can we convert it from one mouse to two mice? I can't say two mouses. No. The plural form of the word mouse, mice. So I have one mouse and when I saw that mouse, I shouted. But tomorrow or today or yesterday, I saw two mice. Oh my God. So when I talk about one person, as I mentioned before, I can say this is one person, but more than one person, I say people. Some other words, they don't have plural from their singular form, like fish, like deer, like sheep. Do you remember when we say that, when we talked about some plural words, they are not in the singular form anyway, like pants, I can say pant. So its word always in the plural form. Pants, shorts, socks, gloves. I can't just say one of them. They are always in the plural form. And here we have two. Some words, they are always in the singular form if I mean more than one. I can't say three fishes. No, it's three fish. I have two deer, or I saw two deer in the coop. But it's two deer, not two deers. I have many sheep at my farm. I can say sheeps. Okay? Collective nouns. What I mean by collective nouns? It means that I will collect them together and make a new name or a new noun. Let's see. If I have a group of animals or a group of things or a group of people, so they will have a specific name for that group. Like a collective noun is a word used to name a group of people or a group of animals or a group of things. What does this mean? Let's see more examples. If I have a group of cows, I can say about them that I have a herd of cows. It means that I have more than one cow, but they are group. But if I have just one cow, I will say just one cow. But we are always using this that a herd of cows were running very fast. Okay, what about if I have a group of birds? Can I say that I have a herd of birds? No, I have a flock of birds. A flock, it means group of birds. What about if I have many group of flies, which is very disgusting? It's a swarm. It's a swarm of flies. What about the group of fish? Can I say they are groups of fish? They are a herd of fish? No, they are a school of fish. When I have a group of fish, I call them as or name them by a school of fish. Oh, this is very close for you, monkeys. So when I have a group of monkeys just like you, I'm always calling them or naming them by a troop of monkeys. A troop of monkeys. Thank you so much. That was our lesson today for the grammar part, and thank you.